Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about perimeter and area. So what is the basic difference between perimeter and area? The perimeter is about the distance around a plane figure is called its perimeter. For instance, the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the lengths of all its four sides. We see a lot of these shapes every day around the classroom, our homes and on the roads. Look at the fence in the picture on the right. To build a fence around a piece of land, we need to measure its perimeter or the length of the four sides around it. In other words, the perimeter of a figure is the length of its bounding line, segments or curves. So basically, perimeter is the distance around a plane figure. Now let's talk about area. What is area? The area of a plane figure is the number of square units that the figure covers. In other words, area is the measure of the surface occupied by a figure. The term surface refers to a plane figure with only two dimensions, namely length and breadth, but no thickness. Recall the plot of land that was fenced. Suppose we need to fertilize the plot. How much fertilizer should we buy? To answer this, we need to calculate the area of the land. So basically, area of a plane figure is the number of square units that the figure covers. I hope so. It was very easy concept with simple example. So is there any query? Let me know in the comment section. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.